Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about the verbs to know. We have two verbs to know. The first verb is saber, and the second one is conocer. They both mean to know, but we use them in a different way. So, first, let's have a look at the conjugations of both verbs, and later we talk about when to use them. So, here on the left, we have our personal pronouns, simple structure, you already know them. Uh, yo, I, tú, you, él, he, ella, she, usted, you, formal. Nosotros, we, vosotros, you guys in Spain. Ellos, they, ellas, they, and ustedes, you guys in Latin America. Now, saber is a verb is irregular. Um, so the first conjugation is yo sé. And then we have tú sabes, él sabe, nosotros sabemos, vosotros sabéis, ellos saben. So this is the verb saber. Now the verb conocer is yo conozco, tú conoces, él o ella conoce, nosotros conocemos, vosotros conocéis, ellos conocen. So as you can see, these verbs have the irregularity in the first person. So that was one of the irregularities we talked about. Good. So now, when to use them? The verb saber, the one here, we are going to use when we are talking about skills, which are pretty much actions. So if I want to say, I know how to swim, I know how to cook, I know how to clean, I know how to speak Spanish. So you're going to say, yo sé, and then you put the verb, hablar español. Yo sé hablar inglés. Yo sé nadar, to swim. Yo sé cocinar. I know how to cook. Yeah. Uh, so a question, how will you ask, do you know how to cook? I'm going to give you 7 seconds to solve that one, starting from now. Again, do you know how to cook? Starting from now. So, you know how to cook. Tú sabes cocinar. That's it. Do you know how to cook? And so on. So this is for for actions if you know how to do them. Now, saber also is used when we put a WH question afterwards. ¿Dónde? ¿Cuándo? ¿Quién? ¿Cómo? ¿Por qué? Yeah. So we are going to use them with these ones here. Yeah. ¿Por qué? ¿Quién? ¿Cuándo? ¿Dónde? So if you want to say, uh, I don't know where my father is. Yo no, remember the no goes right after the personal pronouns. Yeah. Yo no sé dónde está mi padre. Yo no sé dónde está mi papá. Also, yeah, I don't know where my father is. Uh, it's a funny example though. Another example would be, um, I know when the concert is. All right. Yo sé cuándo es el concierto. Yeah. Another one. She doesn't know why you are sad. Let's do that one. Actually, you can try it. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to say this. She doesn't know why you are sad. Starting from now, 10 seconds. Okay. So she doesn't know why you're sad. Ella no sabe por qué estás triste. That's it. Ella no sabe por qué estás triste. Good. And another word we use with the verb saber is the word if. Yeah. And if is sí. Remember that if is sí. So that's why we were asking before, ¿sabes si hay un restaurante cerca? It's like, ¿sabes? Like, tú sabes si hay un restaurante cerca? It's like, do you know if there is a restaurant around? So with the word if, si, we always are going to use the verb saber, yeah, to know if, yeah. Um, yeah. Now, let's have a look at the verb conocer, yeah. The verb conocer is also to know, but in this case, we're going to use conocer just to know nouns. Yeah. If you know anything, a person, a place, um, anything that is a noun. Yeah. A book, a movie. If you know a cafe. Um, yeah. That's, I don't know. If you know the president, if you know the, I don't know, but anything that is a noun goes with conocer. So, and also it's important that if you know it, it's because you witness it. You know it in person. So, for example, tú conoces a Michael Jackson. Well, I don't know Michael Jackson in person. Michael Jackson is a noun. Yeah, it's a person, right? So, yo no conozco a Michael Jackson. Yo no conozco a Michael Jackson. Why with an A? Because it's a person, remember. Pero yo sé quién es Michael Jackson. I know who Michael Jackson is. So you see, it's different to say, I know who he is, to say, I know him. So when you know him, when you witnessed it, when you know that in person, you're going to use conocer. And remember, it's for nouns. Yeah. Play anything. Yeah. Things, people, places. So if you want to say, how would you say, do you know Argentina? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to come up with that one. Do you know Argentina? 5 seconds starting from now. That's it. Argentina, it's a noun because it's a country, right? It's a noun. So, tú conoces Argentina. That's it. Tú conoces Argentina. Eh, yo conozco Argentina. Yeah, I know Argentina. Yeah, yo conozco Argentina. Yeah, nosotros conocemos Brasil. We know Brazil. Yeah, we know that. We know the country. We witnessed it. Yeah. If you don't know the country, if you haven't witnessed it, if you haven't been there in person, then you can say, yo no conozco Argentina. I don't know Argentina, but yo sé dónde está Argentina. O yo sé qué es. I know what it is. Yeah. So remember, conocer is when you actually know it in person, you witnessed it. Yeah. And it's just for nouns. Never put saber, never put saber with nouns. That will be completely wrong. Yeah. Yo sé la película. Yo sé Daniel. Yo sé Colombia. Never do this. It's going to be terrible if you do that. Only with conocer we can put nouns. Yeah, that's pretty much our verbs to know. Um, so, well, how to use it. So let's ask people. Well, first of all, let's practice our flashcards on Quizlet. Let's do our notes and writing. That would be great. And we are going to ask people questions like, do you know if blah 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 blah? Do you know where blah 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 blah? Do you know how blah blah blah? Do you know when blah blah blah? Do you know why blah blah blah? Also, do you know how to write? Do you know how to speak? ¿Sabes si la tienda está abierta? ¿Sabes dónde está Francisco? ¿Sabes cómo limpiar el baño? ¿Sabes cuándo es la fiesta? ¿Tú sabes por qué María está enfadada? ¿Sabes conducir? ¿Sabes cocinar? ¿Sabes nadar? ¿Sabes hablar portugués, por ejemplo? For example. Also ask, like with nouns. ¿Conoces Italia? ¿Conoces a Pedro? ¿Conoces el café? Do you know Italy? Do you know Pedro? Do you know the cafe? Yeah. Um, yeah, that's it. Just ask questions. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you liked it and you learned a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Hasta luego. Bye bye.